Srinath,
Yes, sir. Hi, sir.
is it audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
Yeah. My full name is Srinath Nirugandi. I am 23 years old. I was born in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh district, Andhra Pradesh state, from where I have done my high schooling, and I have done my diploma in civil engineering at ESC Government Polytechnic College, Nandyal. Also, I have completed my BTech in civil engineering from Aditya College of Engineering, East Godavari. And I love watching and playing cricket and also watching documentaries.
Okay. Why you go for civil engineering? Why not electrical or mechanical?
I One reason is my father is a mason. From him I got the inspiration.
Okay. What do you know about bark?
Yeah. Um, BARC full name is Baba Atomic Research Center. Formerly it is known as Atomic Energy Establishment, Trombay. It was founded by Homi Jahangir Baba in January 1954. Yes.
What will be your job role in bark? Do you know?
Yes, I have some idea about it. It will in construction related like research labs and maintenance further, and also quality checking.
Okay. In resume, you have mentioned in your strength that time management.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any example?
Sir, whenever I have any works, I will pre-plan that works by noting that in mobile phone, and also I will set alarms for that before that.
Okay. Okay, sir, carry on.
Srinath,
Yes,
what
sir.
are your favorite subjects?
So my favorite subjects are building materials, highway engineering, reinforced concrete structures,
Okay,
soil mechanics, surveying, sir.
okay. Srinath, tell me one thing. You might be heard of stress.
Yes, sir.
What is stress?
It is the internal resisting force per unit area.
Okay. And what is
Yes.
pressure?
Pressure, it is the external force, sir. External force acting per unit area.
Okay. So can you apply pressure on a body?
Yes, sir.
So please apply pressure on backside wall.
Sir,
Wall is there
sorry,
on
sir.
backside. So please apply the pressure then.
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat again, sir?
I'm telling that. Can you apply the pressure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on your backside, one wall is there. So
Yes, sir.
apply pressure on that wall. I want to see.
With my hand, I will.
Yeah, with your
Can
hand.
I?
With your hand.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now apply force.
No, sir.
Now,
Sir,
now apply force on that wall only.
sir. Actually, I applied force, sir.
Take a
It
seat.
is not.
So you
Yes,
told
sir.
that you can apply pressure.
Yes.
So
Sorry,
how?
sir. Yeah, actually, it is force.
Okay. So is there any difference between force and pressure?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
Force is the um, sorry, sir.
Okay, what is force basically? What is the definition of force?
Force is the external energy we apply on any member.
Force is energy.
Yes.
Is force is energy?
No, sir. Actually, force.
Okay, tell me what are the difference between pressure and stress?
Pressure and stress.
Yeah.
Yes. Pressure and stress. Yes. Stress is the internal force acting in a body,
Okay.
and
Okay.
pressure is the external force
Okay.
per
Any more?
acting per unit.
Any more difference?
No, sir. I didn't remember.
Can you define strain?
Yes, sir. It is the change in dimension to the original dimension.
Okay, what are the classification of strain?
So, it is normal strain, lateral strain, and volumetric strain.
Okay, and what about shear strain?
Shear strain also. Yes.
What about longitudinal strain?
Yeah, longitudinal strain also.
So
It will be in normal strains.
longitudinal strain is normal strain,
I think so.
or lateral strain, that is not
Yeah.
normal strain.
No, sir.
Lateral is normal strain or not?
No, sir.
Okay, tell me what is normal strain?
Normal strain, it is the change in length to the original length.
Lateral strain.
Or lateral strains. Sorry, sir. I didn't.
Have you are you having paper and pen?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Draw a stress strain curve for mild steel.
Sir, can you repeat again?
Yeah, draw stress strain curve for mild steel.
Yes, sure, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir. Can I
Show
show
me.
it?
Yeah, show me. Please mark the point. Please mark the point. Mark the point. ABC. Nomenclate that.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Hooke's law is valid up to what point? A or B or C?
It is up to proportional limit, sir.
That is, where is proportional
That
limit?
is A.
That is A. What is
Yes.
B?
Yes.
What is B?
B is a elastic limit, sir.
What is C?
C is the upper yield limit.
And what is D?
D is the lower yield limit.
What is DE?
Lower yield limit, sir.
DE range I am asking.
D, sir.
D to E. D to E, one range is there, na?
D2 is plastic strain, sir.
Sorry?
Yield plateau.
Sorry?
Yield plateau.
What is yield plateau? Keep the
In yield plateau, at constant stress, the strain will be increasing. So,
Okay, so how this phenomenon will happen?
How this? Sorry, sir. I didn't get it.
Okay, can you draw a stress strain curve for cast iron?
Yes. Sure. Yes, sir.
Is that horizontal on top?
Yes, sir.
So there is no necking?
It is up to
Means in cast iron there is no failure point.
there is no, sir. We will drive one sorry offset line up to this curve, sir. Up to 0.002% strain, 0.002 strain, sir.
Okay, Srinath, it's
At
my last
that point,
question.
yes, sir.
Leave that. It's my last
Sure.
question. Have you heard the name of relative density?
Yes, sir.
What is relative density?
Um, it is also known as specific gravity. It is the difference ratio between the weight of the body to the standard weight of the standard body.
Weight or density?
Um, we can relate to both, sir.
Weight or and density both?
Yes, sir. We
Can
can
you-
relate that in weight also, or we can relate it in density also.
Can you correlate density and weight?
Density and weight, sir. Density. Yes. In density, we'll take it in a kg. Like in weight, we will take that in newtons, kilonewtons.
No, so how you can correlate that? You are telling that rho upon rho is specific gravity,
Yes,
and
sir.
you are telling that weight upon weight is also specific gravity. So how both can be correct? Both are different things.
Sorry. Yeah,
Weight or weight density?
but we can convert the density into weight, sir.
Weight or weight density?
Sorry, sir. Mass. It was my mistake.
Okay, no issue. We are finding out the density upon density, density of fluid upon density of standard fluid. So what we are taking for standard fluid?
It is water, sir. For
Water.
fluid, for liquids, it is water.
Okay, and for solid?
For solids also we can take water, sir.
In
I think-
solid, do you know that relative density of soil?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so how we are finding the relative density of soil?
Related density of this. By calculating the wide ratio, sir. Wide ratio of the soils.
Okay, is there any difference in data difference between relative density of soil and specific gravity of soil?
Yes, sir.
So you are telling that
Okay.
specific gravity and relative density both are same. You told that previously.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'm asking
It's,
that.
yes. I thought it was in fluid mechanics, I think.
So, means fluid mechanics definition is different, and in soil mechanics definition is different.
Yes.
Okay, Srinath, it's from my side. Now I'm handing over to Dilip sir. Dilip sir, can you continue, please?
Yes, thank you, sir.
So, am I audible, Srinath Nerugatti?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, first of all, you say that density and specific gravity is something you asking about the sir. Is a density होती है weight by weight or mass by mass. So, can you explain in soil how many types of specific gravity are exist?
Sir, two types, sir. True specific gravity and mass specific gravity.
What is the basic difference between? You are
Sorry, sir, I
saying
didn't
true-
remember these definitions.
Specific gravity in soil is calculated at how many degree temperature?
Specific at room temperature, sir, I think.
Something value nearby.
It is around 25 to 27.
25 to 27.
Oh,
Okay. So you can say densities and types of densities according to the soil. तो बताइएगा कौन कौन सी densities होती हैं soil के according?
I mean, relative density, sir.
Densities only. Densities or unit weight you can read in soil mechanics.
Okay.
So how many types of
Uh,
densities or unit weight are exist?
Yes, sir. Dry density, saturated.
Okay.
Yes. Dry density, bulk density, submerged. Dry density, bulk density. Unit weights, I know, sir. Saturated unit weight,
Good.
submerged unit weight.
What is the difference between the bulk density and
Yes.
the dry density?
In bulk density, we consider both solid and the water content also. But in dry density, we didn't consider the water content. Only we will consider soil solids.
Soil solids. So अगर आप arrangement बता सकते हैं कि what is the arrangement of densities? Solid, saturated, bulk, dry, wet. You can arrange all these densities according to their increasing or decreasing values.
Yes, sir. First, it is bulk density, sir. Bulk density is more than saturated, not.
Okay, it's okay. Left.
I didn't
Tell you.
realize. Yes.
What is the shear strength in soil?
It is the strength which is required to resist the shear forces, lateral forces, which is acting on the soil.
How can we calculate the shear forces or shear strength in soil?
Then-
Is there any
How-
method or test?
Yes, sir. Methods are there, sir. Direct shear test,
Okay.
triaxial test,
Mhm.
and vein shear test.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So,
What
what is the
compression.
disadvantage of direct shear test?
It is only used for cohesionless soils.
Cohesionless soil. Any other?
Remember.
About the plane, about the failure plane, there is something?
Sorry, sir. I didn't remember the test.
Can't remember. Okay. Explain the procedure of triaxial test. What are the steps? How can we perform the triaxial test in laboratory?
Sorry, sir. Actually, I didn't did that test, shear test. I remember that names also.
Okay, it's okay. So, what do you mean by the lateral strain and longitudinal strain? What is the basic difference between lateral and longitudinal strain?
Longitudinal strain is the strength. It is along the axis of the member, and lateral strain it will be along the normal to the axis of the members. It will take
All right,
normal to the axis.
In any condition, it is possible that the lateral or longitudinal strain may be zero. In any condition.
Sorry, sir.
Possible or not?
I think no, sir.
No. So, can you explain the parameters of water quality parameters in environmental engineering?
What? Physical parameters and chemical parameters, sir.
Only physical and chemical?
And biological parameters.
Biological. So, what's the basic difference between physical and chemical parameters?
We can see the physical parameters, but we can't see the chemical parameters. We can with our naked.
So, what are the examples of the physical parameters?
Physical parameters are turbidity, taste and odor, color, temperature.
So, how can we calculate the turbidity in drinking water?
Yes, we can calculate using a turbidity rod, Jackson turbidity meter, Baylis turbidity meter, and nephrometer.
For drinking water, which is coming from our home, which kind of turbidity meter is used?
We can use a nephrometer, sir.
Nephrometer. Why we are using nephrometer only?
Because it gives turbidity for low what we can say low ppms, what low turbidity.
What is the permissible limit of turbidity in drinking water?
Is between I didn't remember, sir. I didn't remember.
Okay. Say example of chemical water quality parameters.
Chemical water parameter: hardness, chloride, fluoride.
Fluoride.
Yes. Total dissolved solids.
Very good.
Yeah. Nitrogen. Yes. Yes.
You can say hardness. First, you can say hardness. So, what do you mean by hardness?
It is the hardness. It is the ability to destroy the soap properties, sir. Leather formation.
Leather formation will be stopped.
Yes, sir.
What are the types of hardness?
It is a temporary hardness and permanent hardness.
Causes of temporary hardness?
Causes of temporary hardness, sulfates and bicarbonates and carbonates.
Okay. So hardness can be measured by using which test?
EDTA test, sir.
EDT is a test or EDT is a titrant?
Titrant, sir. Yes, titrant.
Okay, the test. I am asking about the test. Name of the test.
Yes. That is, I didn't remember.
Okay. It's okay. EDTA, what is the full form of EDTA?
Ethylene diamine ethylene diamine triax. That is
Tetraacetate.
tetra.
It's okay.
Tetraacetate.
Along indicator, which kind of indicator is used?
EBT, sir. EBT.
EBT. Full form of EBT?
Eriogram by I remember. Eriogram
Black tea.
black tea,
Chali.
sir. Yes.
What is the permissible limit of hardness in drinking water?
Hardness. Generally, I think it will be around 70 to 150, sir. I think.
No, according to IS code. According to IS code 10500.
It will be around 200 to 600.
Yeah, very good. Unit of hardness?
Unit of hardness, it is represented in terms of CaCO3.
CaCO3 or something modified? Exactly CaCO3 or something modified?
ppm, sir.
ppm. Or we can say the equivalent weight of CaCO3.
Yes, sir. Yes. Equivalent weight of CO3.
Okay. So what is the size of brick?
We have different sizes, sir. Modular brick size, modular size, and nominal size. We have traditional size, brick size also. For modular size, it will be 19 into 9 into 9 centimeters. And for nominal size, 20 into 10 into 10 centimeters.
Good.
And for traditional brick, it will be 9 inches into 4.5 inches into 3 inches.
Okay. So what is the weight of brick?
It will be around 3 kg, sir.
Around 3 kg.
Yes.
Okay. Components of brick. What are the basic components?
Yes, sir. It will be silica, lime, alumina, magnesium, and alkalis.
Alkalis. No iron oxide?
Iron oxide also, sir.
Oxide. What is the role of silica in brick earth?
Sir, it will give strength and also it will give durability to the brick. If it is excess, it will cause brittle brick to brittle.
Okay.
Yes.
Jama brick. You heard that name? Jama brick.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by Jama brick?
It is the brick is overburnt.
Overburnt. What is the use of Jama brick? Is there any
It
use
can
or
be
not?
used. It can be used, sir, for only unimportant structures like foundations. Below foundations, we can use.
Below foundation. Very good. How the lime is formed?
Sorry, sir.
How the lime is formed? Lime.
It is found in different forms, sir, like limestone. Can also it is a limestone. Marbles.
Manufacturing process. How they manufacture? How the lime is formed? Which kind of processes are involved?
Sorry, sir, I didn't know.
Have you heard about calcination?
Yes, sir, calcination. It is the.
What?
Yes,
What do you mean by calcination?
It is the heating of the limestone, sir. By heating of this limestone, we can obtain calcium oxide.
Calcium oxide. Another name of calcium oxide?
Calcium oxide. Lime. It is slake limes. Not slake, caustic limes. Quicklime.
Not slake lime, you know?
Yes.
How the slake lime are formed? You are saying that slake lime. How the slake lime is formed?
It is formed by adding the water to the
Water. And the process is known as?
Slaking, sir.
Slaking.
Yes.
Another name of slake lime?
Slake lime is don't know, sir.
Don't know. What's the formula of slake lime?
Slake lime. It is CaOH2.
CaOH.
Calcium hydride. Yes.
That one. Or something else. CaOH.
CaOH2. Sir. Taken. Yes.
Okay. Can you explain the cross section of timber?
Yes, sir. The cross section of timber contains internal part is pith, and we have medullary rays, annual rings.
Internal
Also,
part is the name of internal part? Centralmost portion?
yes, sir, pith.
Pith. Okay. Then
Yes.
one by one
Sap,
बताइएगा ना?
yes, sir. Hardwood, sapwood,
Okay.
and
Sapwood.
medullary rays, and
Medullary
bark. Yes, sir.
And
Bark.
is there any cambium layer exist?
Sorry, sir.
Is there any cambium layer is exist in cross section of
Yes,
timber?
sir. Exit, sir. Yeah, maybe.
What is the role of cambium layer?
Cambium layer.
Is there any role or not?
Yes, sir. It has some role. Sorry, sir. I didn't get it.
Okay, okay. What part of timber is used for the manufacturing of the furnitures or any wooden instruments?
Hardwood, sir.
Hardwood. Why we are using only hardwood, not other part of the timber?
Because it is already it is not active part of the timber, sir.
It's not a
Active part of this timber.
active part of the timber.
Yes.
What is the role of annular rings in timber?
By using annual rings, we can measure the age of the tree.
Okay, can you say some about the defects in timber?
Defects in we have different defects, sir. Defects due to seasoning, defects due to conversion, defects due to fungi, and
Wait,
defects due to insects.
Okay, so you say about the conversion, defects of conversion, बताइए.
We have chip mark, torn grain, and vein.
Vein.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by chip mark? How they can form on the timber?
Chip mark is formed. It is due to the falling of the tool on the timber.
Falling of the tool.
Yes.
And vein?
And when it is the formation of curve-like structure on the timber, curve-like section. Yes.
Twisted fiber?
Sorry, sir.
Twisted fiber?
Twisted fiber. It is due to blowing of strong winds at the young age of the tree.
Okay, okay. Can you explain what is blistering? Blistering,
Sir, blistering.
blistering in paint varnishes.
Yes, sir. Blistering means it is a formation of tiny air bubbles on the painted surface, sir.
Painted surface. Okay, some other defects?
Other defects are grinding, flaking, and yes, sir. I remember that.
Spawnification?
Sorry, sir.
Have you ever heard about spawnification?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat
In
again?
Spawnification.
I didn't get it, sir.
Okay, just left it. So, Srinath, this is done from my side. Now we are giving you the feedback about your interviews.
Yes.
So, sir, start first. Kunal, sir.
Srinath, interview is over, and now it's time
Yes,
for
sir.
your feedback. Overall, your personality is good. Eye contact, hand movement, all are up to mark. And regarding
Yes.
technical, sir will tell you.
Srinath, if you will ask or if you will talk about technical, so in technical you have to read basic data also.
Sure, sir.
Because you don't know what is the definition of basically pressure, who can apply the pressure. Actually, solid body
Yes.
can't apply the pressure, only fluid applying pressure. Okay, so you should read basic, not
Sure, sir.
means from your favorite subject they will ask question in depth.
Yes.
But from other section they can ask basic questions because density, pressure, stress, these are common for all the subjects of civil branch.
Yes.
Okay, so work on that.
Yes.
And for remaining portion, I'm handing over to Dilip sir. Dilip sir.
Yes, sir. So Srinath, your interview is good and you should improve. Not so much, but you are definitely doing good. Something you are missing, like that facts or I think you should miss the test, है ना? अगर I
Yes, sir.
think अगर बात करूं मैं आपसे soil mechanics, you should not aware about the test, the procedures, है ना?
Yes.
And in we can say about the BMC or CT, so you don't know about the defects. Basic, this is a basic, है ना? About timber, paint, bricks. These are the basic topics which are asking in your interview examination.
Yes. Sir.
So overall, your confidence level is good. You're technically very strong, but something need to be improved. है ना? So you should prepare these points which I have discussed in your interview, and we will meet in the next interview. Thank you from my
Yes.
side.